Let's take a look at today's demo of IT AI super agents and how you could build them for incident resolution. Here I have an incident record for requesting Camtasia license. I'm going to head over to the AI Agent Studio where I've created a super agent. One single AI agent with open-ended instructions and dozens of tools related to resolution. So let's go ahead and resolve this incident. As we start the test, we're going to see the numerous different tools being invoked under that single AI agent for incident resolution. You can see it's starting by getting incident details, which it says done. It's then going to get incident categories, essentially doing triage, getting those category values, and then setting the category on that incident record. And if I head back over, we could see in live time, as this AI agent is working, it's assigned itself, it's moved the state to work in progress, it set the category to software, and you could see it's now going to continue to work. It's now doing a tool to update the user with what it's done, a tool to update the state, a tool to request the software to be provisioned. So we're actually giving the user the license key to provision it to the user. And it's done so with an existing catalog item. And then it's going to update the user with what it's done via the additional comments. And so what I want to highlight here is it's just one agent with multiple tools to handle the entire life cycle of the request, from triage to resolution to wrap up, all under one agent. Now I head back here and we could see the resolution notes were actually set by that agent as well. It sent the user a update. The request for Camtasia has been provisioned for your use, and the resolution code and notes have also been set, and it's properly set the resolution code by resolve by request. So how did this get done? Right, well, let's take a look. Let's go back to the create and manage section of this AI agent, the super AI agent. And what you can see is it's a single AI agent. And the instruction is so simple. It just says gather context, categorize, assign, and solve the issue. Make sure to communicate regularly and take any action to fulfill the user's incident. And what you can see is for the software issue, it went ahead and it provisioned the software. That's because it has tools for everything: hardware, software, Active Directory management, user management, setting the category, assigning it. And it is smart enough with LLM reasoning to actually pick the right tool. And you could see that if I came out here and I went to a different incident, an incident, say, related to hardware, then we reran the agent, we would actually see a different behavior. We would see it go and request hardware for the user. So let's quickly do that other test. So I'm going to quickly create a new incident. We're going to say user needs a new laptop and mouse. We'll not categorize it. We'll put in that same caller, save it. And then I'm going to go ahead and run that AI agent again with this new incident number here. This really is agentic in action, right? It's not hard coding in instruction exactly what it needs to do. It's being very open-ended, just giving it the full list of tools of what it can do and letting it think what the process is, what it needs to follow. So basic process like getting the incident details, setting the category, it's going to do that for every incident type. But what we could see here is it's assigning, the AI agent. Also, it's going to happen on every incident. But we're not going to see it call that AI agent for software fulfillment, right? Instead, it's going to ask the human user to start a new order, to provide a new laptop and mouse. Because this is a human order fulfillment, you need a human in the loop to say yes. And we're going to say yes here. And so this was a special tool that only comes up for hardware-related requests. So the AI agent, again, you could see here, provision hardware. It picked provision hardware this time instead of picking provision software last time because it had that context from getting the incident. The result of this dynamic behavior, a truly intelligent, autonomous IT service desk where your AI agents are acting as your agent zero, assigning themselves to work that comes in working on it and attempting to bring it to resolution on behalf of your users. Of course, if live agents are still needed, they can take those incidents directly over from that AI agent and continue the work.